Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. This is like an update video. As you can see by the thumbnail and by the title and description, I'm working on an interface board. I'm hoping it will be compatible with 3 models of repeaters, that being the Retevis RT97S, the Midland MXR10, and the Retevis RT97L. Now that's what my plan is. If not, then it would just be compatible with just the Retevis RT97L repeater. But I'm going to try to make it so it will work with all 3 repeaters. Now, if you're wondering, well, how are you going to know what model this thing is compatible with? Well, I'm going to post in the description below a link to where you can sign up to get notified when this becomes available. Whether it's for 1 model repeater or 3, it's going to be the same length, the same link. So you can go there. When it becomes available, I will clearly have it stated in the first sentence or two what model this interface board is compatible with. But here's what's going on if you want to know. I am testing this. As you can see here, I've been testing it with the Retevis RT97S. After I'm done with this, hopefully the next day or two, this interface board will be shipped out to a tester. He will test it with the Midland MXR10 and the Retevis RT97L. Hopefully, if all goes well, it will work with all 3 models, and then we can go ahead and move forward. If not, then I'll have to redo some things and maybe only have it work with 1 model. But again, I will make it clear on the actual store's website when this becomes available. Now, if you're wondering what this interface board will let you do, it will be a plug and play. It will let you do Zello, repeater ID, date and time, weather announcements, and other announcements. What I mean by other announcements is, let's say you want like every hour for it to say, welcome to this repeater or whatever. You'll be able to do that. This will also be solar compatible, and I'll explain more what I mean by that here in a minute. Now, for those of you who are new to this video or new to my channel, this interface board will need extra things you have to purchase separately. That being a USB sound card and a USB DB9, and you're going to need either a mini PC, a laptop, desktop, or Raspberry Pi. However, if you use a Raspberry Pi that has Windows on it, you're going to be limited on running 1 program at a time. But we'll get into that more later. But if you're going to use a mini PC, which this is what I have this hooked up to, you can't see, it's off camera. I'm running a mini PC. I have a USB extension cord so I can have the USB sound card be out here. But the mini PC works really well with this interface board. But that will let you run, if you run a computer, laptop, desktop, mini PC, you can run more than 1 program at a time without any issues. So those are the components that you have to purchase separately. What you will get with this interface board, you will get an enclosure box. Now, even though this plastic is meant for outside, I do not recommend having this box outside because there's slots and openings that you can't see that, but there's slots and openings on the front and side here. So this box is not weather resistant, but it will come with a enclosure box. The enclosure box also have mounting tabs on it, so you can mount this to wherever you like if you want to. It will come with a cable that plugs in, as you see here. The length of the cable will be 12 inches, maybe a little bit longer. It will also come with the audio cables. I have them tied up nice and neat, but they're also about 12 inches long. Now, it will also come with a wall wart. Here is where this is solar compatible more than 1 way. Now, for those of you who have solar power, you could obviously just plug this wall wart into an inverter. No problem there. But if you don't want to do that and you want to hook this up direct, what you can do is leave about 2 inches of pigtail on the wall wart. So if you ever want to reuse the wall wart, you can. Leave about 2 inches, cut the wire, strip it back. There'll be a red wire and a black wire. The red wire is positive, the black wire is negative. You can hook this direct to a solar system up to 30 volts. You don't need any converters. You don't need nothing else. It's all done internally on the interface board. So you can hook it up to a 12-volt system direct, a 24-volt system direct, or a 30-volt system direct. So you can do it two different ways on how you can power this using your solar power. Either with an inverter, plug it in, or by cutting this cable like I just mentioned. So that's the beauty of this. It's very compatible. Now I'm going to try my hardest to get this to work with 3 different models. But again, I'm trying to keep it at a certain price. So we'll see what happens. But right now, this is step 1. It's been working great with this repeater. And the next day or two, I'll be sending this out to get tested with the Midland and the RETEVIS RT97L. So if that all goes well, I'm hoping soon to have this available. But I thought I'd kind of do an update video so you know what's going on. Again, if you're interested in this interface board, make sure you sign up down below. I'll post that link in the description there for you. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have yourself a good day.